Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we got a beautiful Road Glide in for an audio upgrade. He had it with the factory boom audio system. One of his 5x7s was blown, the surround was ripped. So instead of investing money back into the boom audio, he decided to upgrade to something that was going to be much louder, have much more bass, and that he can enjoy more. So he decided on NVS Audio Stage 3 high power with a sodium battery upgrade. We went with NVS Audio carbon fiber in the fairing, Sound Digital 800.4 in the fairing, Sound Digital 1600.1 in the fairing, Dubiee bass knob in the factory accessory panel, NVS Audio T-harness, NVS Audio power wires and RCA. We ran the Volt Power NI20 sodium. We did upgraded ground, ran some Hertz 690 Neo 6x9s, did 5x7 to 6x9 adapters to make it fit the factory boom audio cutout in the lids. We went with 8-inch Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, wired with quick disconnects. Everything's weatherproof, sounds great, looks great. HKI Mini DSP and then an RTA tune. Bike sounds phenomenal. He's happy with the way the bike sounds. We're happy with the way the bike sounds. Check out the build.
Más infame merece respeto por ser debutante en el hecho que tú abandonaste. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya no pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces todo mi querer.
Regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. I'll be handy with the steals, you know what I mean?
Black night, a clear white moon when G was on the streets trying to consume some skirts for the E so I could get some phones rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you hoes know what's up with 213.
So I hit select on 2-1 and Lewis. Some niggas shooting dice, so I sit next to this. I jumped off the rock and said, what's up? Some niggas put some gas, so I said,
Since these hoes deep in me, I'm proud this word. These bitches looking so hard, they straight hit the curb. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
I'm living jack, I'm working myself. I can't believe they taking women's wealth, they took my rings, they took my Rolex. I look back and niggas sit down, what's
They got my
next?
homie hemmed up and they all around. You know they see if they going straight past the house. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late.
Yeah. Remix.
Yo, Pop, that's that knock right there, boy. You know that you remind me of a love that I once knew. Yes, you do. You know that you remind me of a love that I once knew. Yes, it's true. You remind me of a love that I once knew.
All right, so we just got finished up with a Stage 3 high power and this beautiful road glide. Are you completely happy with the way the bike sounds?
Man, overly ecstatic. If you want it done right, come check out Carlos, MVS Audio, Daytona Beach, Florida.
Perfect. Thank you.